Okay, just to let you know, I'm gonna be recording this Zoom meeting in case, guys, you want to watch it later again. So it's being recorded right now. Okay, so let's start. So we're gonna be talking about again Hotbox and some price action. But first, what is a Hotbox? Hotbox basically is a zone formed by a candle with high volume. That's what this is how I define hotbox. A zone formed by a candle with high volume in the 2 minutes time frame. For the moment, I'm using the 2 minutes time frame. I have been testing another time frames, but we're gonna be talking about only 2 minutes time frame, the one that I have been trading so far, and it has been really, really good. Okay, so based in what I mentioned about candles with high volume, what are the advantage of the hotbox? Okay, one of the advantage of the hotbox is your stop loss can be placed, it could be a small stop loss. You don't need to play with a big stop loss. The trade is quick as well. So when I'm doing the hotbox trading, I'm looking for quick scalps, 15, 20 points. Yeah, sometimes we can get 30 points, 35 points, but I'm using this technique for quick scalps. If I can see the trade still going in favor, let's say I'm gonna take longs at the bottom of the hot box, and I can see it's heading to the top of the box, and the price action is telling me, okay, I'm gonna continue going up. Of course, I will leave some runners to see how much I can stretch this profit. But again, one of the advantages that your stop loss is really small, quick scalps. Other advantage of the hotbox is in tricky days like yesterday, for example, choppy days, you can use the hotbox perfectly. I have seen that the box works really, really good. So when you are choppy days, yeah, we can trade too, no problem. So those are the main advantages of hotboxes. That's what I like, hotboxes. Other thing that I have noticed is the hotbox works better after 10 a.m., 10:15 a.m. because the first half an hour, the market is crazy, especially with NQ. As you know, it moves really, really fast. And sometimes the boxes are no respect. So I have noticed that after 10, 10:15, when the market start count down, is when the boxes start working better. That's what I have noticed with the hot boxes. So keep that in mind. Because again, I'm still testing this technique and it has been working really, really good. Other thing that is important to watch when you are in the hot box, when the price is inside of the hot box, is you need to watch price action, because when we are inside the boxes, it could be really, really fast. So watch price action before taking a trade. Okay, the price is approaching the top of the box. I'm going to take a short straight away. Don't do that. Okay. If you are willing to do it, place your stop loss really, really close to the top of the box. Okay, place your order. Okay, let's see if the price take it and come down. Okay. But normally I wait for price action. When I see the NQ approaching to the top, I wait and see how this is rejecting. So that's what I do. I don't go straight away. I wait. You can do it again. You can place your limit order on the level. But please, if you do that, put your stop loss really close to your order, okay? Okay, so now that the boxes are defined, let's gonna find some examples, especially from yesterday, and see what I'm talking about, okay? Okay, so let's see examples from yesterday's session. That's the best way to practice this, okay? Okay, so 9:30, this is when the market opened yesterday. If you were trading NQ yesterday in the morning, you know that it was really wild plus action at the beginning. So my first trade, I was taking longs. It fell because the price action was really, really wild. So, okay, you have this candle here, 952. I know what I say about trading boxes after 10, 10, 15, but we're using this like an example. Okay, so look this candle here, 952. Look at the volume. Again, I always mention this. One day somebody asked me, hey, Greg, how do you define high volume? Which numbers are you looking at? And I'm not looking at any number, you know? As simple as possible, I'm only looking the volume bars here. When I see a drastic, bar, for example, like this one, you are coming all this bar here, and suddenly you have a small, and suddenly you have a big one, big spike like that. For me, this is a high volume one. So if you mark your box from top to bottom, as you can see here, this is what I'm saying. Okay, the candle was formed. You decide you mark your box, and then suddenly you start seeing the bounce at the bottom of the box, confirming with the 1 minute, because that's what I normally do when I'm trading this box and switching between 2 minutes, 1 minute. That's what I do. That's what I normally do. Okay. Where are we? Okay, so we're here. Okay, 9:52 here. This is when we mark the candle at the 2 minutes time frame. And suddenly you start seeing your bounce here. Okay. Let's say in case, and now I'm gonna be mixing some price action example. Let's say you mark your box. You start seeing NQ bouncing on the bottom of the box. But this movement probably was too fast. And you are expecting another retest of the bottom to go to the top. But didn't happen. So what I will do here in this case is just watch price action. For example, if you see this candle here, the 955, breaking this structure, here you have your structure. I'm just gonna use this one. Right? Two candles, this candle broke close below the level, but Look at the next candle. It's coming and coming up again. Probably I will go long on this part, heading most likely to this daily level. That's another thing that you need to keep in mind, okay? When you have levels inside your boxes, that one should be your main target, especially if it's a daily level, because, this easily could be rejecting and go down. So keep that in mind, that when you have a level inside your box, that should be your main level, okay? So you are taking your loans. I will probably be taking loans on the break of this structure here and heading to daily one. Most likely I will be closing it here, because if you see from here, 328, 359 or 30 points trade, which is one of the rules for my hot box. Okay, so 20, 15, 20, even 30 points is good for me, because when you are trading more than 5 cons, 6 cons, 7 cons, 30 points move like this is a lot of money. And if you are doing 5 trades, 4 trades, a squid scalp like this, imagine, make your calculation, 20 points times 4 trades times 5 trades, you are making 100 points in total. So that's why I don't focus too much on, I'm gonna take 100 points in the box, because I one day I was doing 8 trades using the hot box, and each trade was between 15 20 points. So imagine how many points in total. So that's why I don't stress too much myself. I'm gonna 70 points, 100 points. No, 20, 15, 30 points, good for me. Good for me. Answering your question, it doesn't matter the color of the candle. If it's red or green, it doesn't matter. High volume, high market. That's what I do. Okay, so okay, that's another. This is the example of the hot box. Okay, you took it. As you can see, we are already at 10 a.m., 10:03, and they were playing outside of the box. But if you go to the 2 minute, that's what I keep switching when I'm doing trading, switching between the 2 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 1 minute. That's what I do. What's going on? Why so slow? As you can see, this one, we start bouncing on top of the box. This could be a fake out as well, because you are expecting, okay, we are going up because we are right now bouncing in the 1 minute and the 2 minutes outside of the box, and you decide to take loans, but suddenly the price came down inside the box here, and as you can see, your stop loss could be really small, because your stop loss could be placed just, let's say, here or here. Those are the advantage of the hot box. You don't need to play with, I'm gonna play my stop loss in the middle of the box. There's no point to do that. If you're expecting the top of the box using as bounce level, why are you gonna put your stop loss so far away? Just place few points, because here the top is 21,378. If you place 10 points down here, 6A, that should be your stop loss. It's really small. The trade went against, touch your stop loss. Okay, you have a loss, but it's not too big. It's a small loss. Remember, this is trading. The strategies don't work 100% of the time, but this one works a lot. So, okay, so another thing, when you have your box like this, and you already did an inside trade like this one, you see, coming up. For me, that box is already mitigated. So once we have an inside trade like this, that's for me, that's all. I will not use the inside box anymore. What I will expect is the break of either up or either down to use the edges of the box as levels, like a rejection point or bouncing point. That's what I will do. Okay, the price came in here again and start trading inside. You could take quick scalp using the inside trading. Yeah, you can do it. For me, if I already make money inside trade like this, I wouldn't do it again because it's too risky that it's gonna, be doing it again. So I will wait for the break either up or side. Yesterday was an special day. As you can see, this box played a lot of time. It was formed at 9:52, and look at all the inside trades until what? Let's see the final break. Oh, look at this. Again, another fake out. Even if it's a fake out, let's say you decide to go longs again here. Here was entry 380, expecting 15 points trade. Right there, 20 points. You're already there, 20 points. That's good. So you are taking your trade, your quick scalp. You are using your rule, 20 points, 15 points, you have it right there. Taking longs, using the top of the box as level, bounce level, 15, heading to 15, 20 points. There you go. From here to here, 20 points. That's it. As you can see, they came inside again. But look at this is a perfect example of rejection, using the bottom as rejection. At 12:20, look at all this time. The box was for a 9:52, and they finally broke it at 12. 12:16 was a lot. Okay, so in this case, I will be using, you have a clear price action here on the rejection. You have this candle with high volume, was broken, right? And you decide to take using the box as rejection point. There you go, another example. Okay, another question that people ask a lot is, okay, Greg, what about if you have another box forming inside a box? Yeah, there are several cases like that. For example, look at this. Let's go for here. Okay, here. Here you have this candle. Look at the volume. And suddenly you have a big candle like this. 1034 candle with high volume. And you decide to mark your box here. Yep, you can easily trade that one as well, because this is considered a new box for me. Either that you are still inside of the big box, you can use it. You can use this one too. As you can see, they reject perfectly on the daily level, red line, came inside straight away to the box. And you decide to take your shorts, confirming with the 1 minute time frame price action too, and you are confident about the short, yeah, take it. Heading to bottom or whatever, 15, 20, 25 points, whatever is your target. Okay. That's what I will do. Look at this, another example here. What is it? I saw it here. Okay, I'm just gonna delete this one. I'm going to delete this one. So now you have this one. Look at this candle with high volume. Again, look the pattern. Suddenly you have a big volume. Okay, there is this. You decide to make your box, marking everything weeks from week to week. There you go. All right. You see, price was closing below price closing below. This one closed just above, but not enough body. So this candle form breaking the bottom of this candle, the 1146. Look at where the price is rejecting now. At the bottom of this, the bottom of this candle is rejecting, and you decide to take shorts. Okay, you are confident about your shorts. Okay, let's gonna take it. You take it around here, heading to bottom of the box. This could be a good trade for me because again, what I will see is, okay, I have this candle breaking the bottom of this candle, and then let's gonna mark it to make it easy. What I will do, I mark like this, marking the bottom of this candle. This is price action, guys. And then you have the other candles now rejecting the blue line, which is the bottom of this one. This will be a good signal for me to go shorts. Okay, I'm going shorts now. Heading to the bottom of the box, which match perfectly with my daily level here. That's a good example. So from here, 395, 361, a lot of points. Just another example. Here, you can see this candle broke the daily level, which is the red line, also broke the bottom of the box. And look at the perfect retest of this one. That's another signal for me. As soon as I saw this candle breaking the bottom of this candle like this, because this candle did this. Form, came up, retest the bottom of the box. As soon as I saw the candle breaking the bottom of this candle, especially if you have a big volume like this one, but it's breaking it, I will take shorts. Probably my entry will be somewhere here, taking the shorts. That's what I will do. Yeah, well, Carlos, answering your question, I only have back test this hot box in the 2 minutes time frame. I'm gonna explain later the 10 minutes hot levels I use at the market opening. Yeah, it can be used a hot box, but I haven't used it like that. I use the 10 minutes level for my starting point. I'm gonna explain later. Okay, guys, there you go. Another example of rejection, breaking the box, using it. Price start coming down, sorry. Breaking the bottom of this candle. As soon as it breaks the bottom, I'm gonna go shorts. Which one could be your target from here to here? Your purple line, daily level. Because my daily levels normally work. The price travel from daily to daily. That's what I normally does. Okay, let's find another. Let's gonna find more examples. Okay, it's already 12:20. Volume is small. But then suddenly 12:28, two candles, one candle with high volume, like this one. Look at this. Boom. There you go. Make a box. Okay. Other thing that I haven't tested these boxes in another ticks, okay? I only have used this one on NQ. Yeah, Juan Carlos, price action, the example that I just showed you about, okay, what I'm looking how, basically what I'm watching is how the price is acting based in the candle on the left. The example I just showed you, okay? Taking the rejection of the bottom of the box as rejection point. And looking how the candle is rejecting to the left candle. If it's breaking it, that's what I normally do. Okay, guys, look at this example. You have this box. Okay, I'm gonna give you another example of price action. What I look. Okay. So, hot box form. Look at this candle, came down, but suddenly came up inside the box again. So here you have, look where you need to look. You have this daily level here, white line. You have this candle going out, but closing inside the box above the daily level. So that's your first signal that, okay, this guy most likely is going to continue going up to 4-hour level. This yellow line here is a 4-hour level from yesterday. And you decide to go long. When I will go long? Okay, I have this candle here with high volume, and you have the new candle, the 1232 candle start forming, and suddenly I start breaking the top of this candle. Look at this. Probably I will take longs somewhere here. That's what I will do. I mark the top, especially with high volume. Look at this. Yeah, you can use this one like another box too. Again, you can have boxes forming inside boxes. You can mark it like this. And suddenly you see this guy breaking it. This could be another quick trade for me. Okay, I'm going to take it longs from here to the yellow line. That's what I will do. Then price reject on the yellow line came down. Look where it's bouncing now. Where are we bouncing? We are bouncing on the top. Let me stretch this a little bit. We are bouncing on the top of this candle. Perfectly bouncing. There you go. So this will be another quick trade for me, quick scalp. As soon as I saw the bouncing like this, confirming with the 1 minute too. Let's see the 1 minute. That's why the back testing is important, guys. Because you need to, the most important here is to learn price action. What are the candles telling you? Yeah, King, it's been recorded. This class is being recorded. Price action is the most important thing that you guys need to learn. Okay? This is 1 minute time frame. I will normally when I'm doing the boxes, I'm switching between 1 minute, 2 minutes. So let's see. What is this candles telling you? You have this candle here, 1 minute. I'm talking about 1 minute time frame. You already made your boxes, okay? These are your boxes. Look at this candle here with high volume, right? You have this candle, the 1231, and you have what I will do in the 1 minute too. I will mark the top of this candle like this. Why? Because this is a candle with high volume. Look what this candle is doing. This candle came, broke it, the top of this candle, broke it. It closed above. Now it's using the top of this candle as bouncing point. What is this candle telling you? This candle is telling you, hey, I'm gonna break this candle. Look at, coming up, break it. I broke this candle. This is what this candle is telling you. I'm breaking this candle with high volume. I don't care. Broke it. Once it's broken, look at what it's doing. Bouncing on the top of this box, which is the 2 minutes time frame. So these are your confluence. These are your confluence. Okay, I'm bouncing on the top of this candle. I'm bouncing on the top of the 2 minutes hot box form. This is my confluence to, okay, I'm gonna go long. I'm gonna go long. Okay, say you take longs from here to the 4-hour, 206 to the 4 hours, 221. There you go, 20, close to 20 points trade. Our rule 20, 15, 30 points scalps. There you go. Always look to your left. Always look what your candle in your left is telling you. Hey, I have suddenly a break like this. Where am I having a break like this with high volume? Because look at your candle in your left. You have this candle with high volume, and this guy is breaking this candle. Once it's broken, I'm using it as bounce level. Always take a look. Look your left. Please, guys, answer me in the chat. Is this class is going good? Is easy to understand, or I'm getting too complicated? Please let me know. Very clear? All right. Thank you. So, guys, price action is your main target to learn. Price action. Always look to your left. See what the previous candle did. Always, always. Look for order blocks. Look for candles with high volume. So my strategies are right now, order blocks, hot box, my normal daily levels and 4-hour levels, price action. Yeah, price action is my first. It's my first. Okay. So that's another. Brittany, I'm gonna do another class about daily levels, how I get my daily, but on my YouTube channels, on the live section videos, there are a lot of videos there, how I normally obtain my levels. But right now I'm just focusing on this just to, my YouTube is Greg Day Trading. So, okay, again, look, the 1 minute is telling you here you have another block. If you see my screen on the normal day trade, you will see a lot of things like this, you know. But I'm used to already. I'm used to, and that's why I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible. Yes, I still, like I said before, I'm still using the order blocks. It's part of my strategy. I mix everything because this one thing that you need to keep looking. Okay, let's say again, you were confident here about the price action on top of the level going up. Okay, what is my next target? Let's say I want to stretch the profit as much as possible. Which one could be my next target? Look, you have another block here. So from here to here, you have a trade. You need to look all the picture, guys, everything. Okay, let's gonna delete this box just to make it clear. Okay, 1 minute price action. You see, you have your order block here, some rejection. Take another quick call from here to bottom of your next 4-hour level. There you go, another trade. Okay, another example of price action. Look at this. Look at this candle. I'm doing the now 1 minute time frame. Look at this candle with high volume. Yeah, Joey, I'm mixing all of them. That's what I do. If I don't have a clear hot box, okay, let's see price action. If the price action is not clear, okay, what else do I have? Let's see all the blocks. You need to keep looking, see what is forming first. Okay, look at this, guys. Look at this candle. 1 minute time frame, high volume candle, right? Why am I having this volume? What is this candle telling you? Apart of leaving another order block here. I'm gonna mark this order block here. Mark. Boom, there you go. Okay, you mark your order block because you have a suddenly big candle like this. Why am I having this big candle? What is this telling me? Always to your left. Look at all this rejection here, guys. Look. Look. You were rejecting what? This order block. Remember the one that we found here. There you go. And suddenly this candle broke. Boom. Right? What is this telling you? Look at this. Look how clear this price action is telling you. Candles came, retest the top of all these three candles here, the rejection point, and look where it's bouncing perfectly. Boom, boom. This candle is telling me when I see big candles like this, oh, my first question is, what are you breaking? What are you doing? What am I doing? Look at this. I'm breaking all these guys. I'm breaking the structure of all these guys. Boom. Broke it. Came. Start bouncing. Look, where are we closing and opening? We are on the top of the order block and we are closing above our rejection levels. So you have two confluence here to go long. You are feeling, you are leaving this candle left imbalance here. Look at this. A gap here. They came, they fill up the gap, and they were closing above the rejection points. This is another trade I will take. Okay, go long. Now, that's what I will do. Always look to your left. Always. What is this telling you? Another one here. Here, look at this candle with high volume. 1 minute time frame. Still doing 1 minute time frame. Candle with high volume. Suddenly, you have this candle with massive volume. Boom. Again, ask the question, what are you doing? Why? Why are you so wild? What are you breaking? I'm breaking this guy. Look at this. I'm breaking the top of this guy here. Boom. Why this guy? Why? Because it's a candle with high volume. The key, guys, is the volume. That's the key. The volume. The volume is telling you the story. Candle with high volume. Look what this candle is doing. Breaking this, the top of this candle. Because look where it's bouncing now. What am I bouncing? Where the NQ is bouncing? It's bouncing on the top of this candle, the one that we just broke. Boom, another one, boom. Another trade there, guys. Another trade. Based only on price action. There you go. What else? Yeah, here volumes are small. Okay, let's go to the 2 minutes just to get more example of the hot boxes. So I'm going to continue using the session from yesterday. Okay. Okay, so let's find another box here. Yeah, there is another one here. I think I took a skull with this one yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. I think this candle here, high volume. Mark your box, top to bottom. Boom, there you go. 2 minutes projection here, confirming shorts going to the bottom of the box. Also, if you go to the 1 minute, let's see what the 1 minute was telling us. Okay, so this is what I will look, the 2 minutes, 1 minute for. Okay, I have this candle in the 1 minute with high volume. I will mark the close here like this. As soon as I saw the price, you see how it's closing below the top of this candle, the one with the high volume. And confirming also in the 2 minutes. Look how can you take the short here. Where will be my stop loss? Just somewhere here, just outside. Heading to bottom of the box. I don't have any levels in the middle of the box. Everything is clear. If I take the shorts here at the beginning of this candle, because look at we are opening below here, probably I will take the longs just somewhere, the shorts somewhere here, heading to bottom of the box. So from here, 412, 376. Big trade there. That's what I will do. Okay, another example of price action. Look at this candle here, high volume. What is this candle telling you? What are you breaking? Look at this candle here, high volume. Market, mark the top. So now you see that this candle was breaking this. Now look, where are we bouncing? Close to that one. Decide to merge your order block. Let's say you were expecting touching the top of this one. This one bounced early, didn't touch it. Okay, you didn't take the trade. And then suddenly start coming down again. Coming down, coming down. Look where are we bouncing again. Order block, retaking the level, now bouncing again. Again, look at this candle, high volume, breaking this guy here. Let's say you decide to move it. That's what I will do in real time. There you go. Look, where are we bouncing? That's it, guys. Okay, yeah, yeah, I know that sometimes we have some weeks going outside the box can kill your stop loss, but that's why you need to be fast. That's why you need a lot of practice to know this, because yeah, you can have weeks going up outside of the box, killing your stop loss and go down again. If you are confident about the shorts because price action is telling you, hey, this was just a fake out. Now I'm just gonna use this example, like this one. Okay, week up, broke the box, suddenly start coming down, breaking again. You are confident about the short. You re-enter the shorts. That's what I will do. Yeah, I go stop out several times by doing this weeks. But if I'm confident about my level, my price action, I will re-enter the shorts. Yep, you won't win. You won't win every trade. That's true. Again, this is trading, guide. We don't have a 100% strategy. I would like to have it, but I don't have it. The only thing that I can do is backtest a lot to, to get better, better, better. That's the only thing that we can do. Okay, guys, this is the end of the class right now. I have to go. I hope you guys like it. Please let me know in the chat if you like the class. Because I don't know if I'm good teacher or not. Yeah, please let me know. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know that. Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna end tomorrow. That's gonna end the strong. This class is being recorded. If you want to watch it again, it's being recorded. So I need to wait to because I'm recording to the cloud. So it's gonna take time to be safe there. But once it's safe, I will paste the link in the recorded webinar. Okay? So you can watch this many times you want. You're welcome, guys. Please take care. Enjoy your free day and be ready for tomorrow. Be ready for tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.